how to set the text-to-speech preferred engine to Samsung or Google on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancements. After that, scroll down, then tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility, and then scroll down and tap on text-to-speech setting. In here, tap on the preferred engine, tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you could select Samsung text-to-speech engine, or you could select speech recognition and synthesis from Google. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.